Hello, today is our lecture number 5 and the topic is zero shot versus few shot prompting. So, what if you could train an AI without writing a single line of code? Well, you can. It's called few shot prompting and today we will compare it with the zero shot prompting, the two most common ways to get AI to do what you want just by showing it how. These two terms describe how much example data you provide the AI within the prompt itself. Let's break them down. What is zero shot prompting? This is when you give no examples. You simply describe the task clearly and expect the AI to understand it based on its training. For example, translate the following English sentence into French. How are you today? You gave zero examples, just a clear instruction. Great for simple, well known tasks like translation, summaries, or definitions. Now we will discuss few shot prompting. This is when you show the AI a few examples before asking it to complete a similar task. Here is an example prompt. Translate the following into French. Good morning, bonjour, thank you, merci, I'm happy. Then you don't give him a translation. The AI sees the pattern and completes. Few shot prompting works better when the task is uncommon or complex. The tone, format, or logic needs to be learned. You want consistent output style. Think of training someone to fold a paper airplane. Zero shot is just saying, hey, fold a paper airplane. Few shot is showing them, like, here are two already folded airplanes. Now make another one like these. Which one is more likely to succeed, especially with beginners? That's the magic of few shot prompting. Zero shot is best for simple and common tasks, and few shot is best for style mimicry, logic tasks, formatting email templates, code patterns, and math problems. Here are some tips for writing few short prompts. Use 2 to 3 examples maximum. More can confuse the model. Keep example format consistent. Make sure each example matches the pattern you want the AI to follow. Open your LLM and try zero shot. For example, write a funny tweet about AI and coffee. Now, try few shot. Write a funny tweet about AI and coffee. AI at 2 a.m. says, let's retrain everything. Coffee says, you don't need sleep, just more models. Now, give the instruction, write one more in this same style. Now compare. Which one felt more on brand? Which one matched your tone better? The big idea is this. Zero shot is like saying, do this. Few shot is like saying, here's how, now you try. Few shot prompting helps AI learn patterns fast and gives you more control even without coding. In the next lesson, we will combine this idea with chain of thought prompting, which takes things to the next level by helping AI think out loud. See you in the next lesson.